जय श्री राम दोस्त बच्चों। तो आज हम सीखने वाले हैं पॉलिनॉमियल्स, और उसके पहले हम जानेंगे कुछ एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन के बारे में। सो एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन, so what is an algebraic expression? So it is a combination of some variables and consonants, variables and some constant terms along with their mathematical operations. These operations are plus, minus, multiply and divide. For example, variables are also, you know, that a, b, c, x and so many, and constants which have fixed value, that is 1, 2, 3, 5, etc. So whenever we combine these two terms along with some mathematical operations like 2a, 5c, 6x, 5p plus q and many more, then this term becomes an expression which is known as algebraic expression. It is algebraic expression. So now we will discuss about terms. So a term which contains only one term, which is known as what? Monomial. It is what? Monomial. Example 2, 5p, 6x and many more. Now if an expression containing two terms, then it is known as what? It is known as binomial. Example 5p plus 2, 6x plus 3, 9y plus z. This is known as what? Binomial. Then an expression containing three terms, it is known as what? Trinomial. Like 5x square plus 3p plus q, 6x square plus 12p minus z, etc. These are known as what? Trinomial. Or if the expression containing more than two terms, then more than two terms, then at that time that expression is known as what? Polynomial. It is known as what? Polynomial. So now we will go to learn something about polynomial. So before that polynomial, some more introduction like degree. Degree is known as what? Highest power of the equation. The highest power of an expression is known as what? Degree. For example, if we write 5x cube plus 6x square plus 12, so here the degree will be 3 because highest power is 3. If I write 2p5 plus 6q square, etc., then here the degree will be 5. So means highest power of an expression is known as what? Degree of that equation or expression. Now the next term is coefficient. The term which is along with the expression or which is along with the term is known as what? Coefficient. Like if I write 5p square cube, then the coefficient of q will be the coefficient of q will be 5p square. Or if I am asking that the coefficient of p square is 5q. So the extra term along with that particular variable is known as what? The coefficient of that variable. Now the next topic is how many types of polynomials are there. So on the basis of degree, polynomials are of many types. First, if the expression having degree 1, that is known as what? It is known as what? Linear polynomial. The general formation of linear polynomial is ax plus b, and the expression having the degree, the expression having that amount of 0 is in that linear polynomial it has 1 0, like number of zeros will be 1. It is known as what? Alpha, and the value of alpha will be minus b by a. Now second one, an expression having degree 2 is known as what? It is known as what? Quadratic polynomial. An expression having degree 2 is known as what? Quadratic polynomial. General formation of that equation of or that polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Quadratic polynomial has two zeros named as alpha and beta, and the sum and the relation between the coefficient and the zeros will be alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, and alpha beta equals to what? C by a. This is known as what? Quadratic polynomial. Now the third type is cubic polynomial. Now the third type is an expression having degree 3 is known as what? Cubic polynomial. Its general form is its general form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. It is its general form. Now the sum of zeros means it has three zeros. It has three zeros named as alpha, beta and gamma. The sum of zeros will be alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. And alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to what? C by a. And the product of that zeros alpha into beta into gamma is equals to what? B by a. So in the second chapter you will have to learn about these three polynomials: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and the cubic polynomial. So this is my first video. I hope you will like it. If you will like it, then please like, comment and share, so we will make that videos again and again.